become tied us. They not provide Wi-Fi anymore.
Oh, okay.
When I was trying to detect, it's not pop up anymore.
Oh, okay.
Mainland service now on platform number 1. Your mainland service is now on platform number 1. This service will stop all stations to mainland with the exception of Silbury.
You good?
I'm good, darling.
Google service next on platform number 6. Your Google service is next on platform number 6. This service will run express from Bowen.
Let's exit the train station. And away we go, baby.
Thank you, my darling. Start breathing.
Oh.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yikes. Oh,
Welcome to Brisbane.
breezy.
Winter wind.
Can you create become breezy bane?
Breezy Bane.
Oh, welcome. That's for sure. Bye.
Quick, baby.
Yes. Bam.
What do you think of the city, baby?
Wow, I really love the city. It's stunning, my darling. I always excited when I walk around with you at the city.
I know this is your best spot, eh?
Yeah, for sure. Let's go check it out, the CBD.
Look at this, baby.
Oh,
Like a bell.
very unique and fancy too. I love it. Wow, luar biasa sekali. Ikuti terus perjalanan kami, Besti.
What do you think of this bridge so far, baby?
Fantastic, darling. I love it. I always love something new and explore the city with you. Oh, look at that, my darling. Wow. Wow, we're able to see the highway from here. Bye-bye, bus. And that's another bridge. Itu ada jembatan lainnya, Besti. Serta jalan layang dan juga ini ada actually, it's a grip from here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to put my boots on, darling.
Oh, okay.
Wow. It'll be great, right?
For sure.
It's cold. For sure, it's winter season, hey? Oh.
Brisbane certainly knows how to cater for the tourists and the locals with all these walkways, bridges, fantastic structures around the place. Every time I come here I'm always happy to be just spending some time here because it's such a pleasure and an adventure as well. This might be interesting. Some art. Let's go and have a look. Bit of a grass area to walk up. Got no idea where I'm going, but I guess we'll find out in a minute. I've seen some statue when I was walking along that bottom path there. It looked like some sort of elephant or something. Ah, okay. I was right. An elephant. Now that's cool. Don't climb on the sculpture. I don't think so. What the heck is that all about? But certainly unique. Wow, wow, wow. And look at that, you know, the backdrop of the city of Brisbane. Baby, what do you think of this statue?
Wow, fantastic, so artistic, very unique. What is that, babe?
It's like an elephant
Yeah.
upside down, sort of.
Look at that. Yeah. He playing around with that stone, with that rock. That's his head. Be careful, elephant.
Koala River Cruise. Okay. Let's go. Oh shit. Looks like I've missed the boat. Ah, next time. Now that's one cool boat, dinghy, or whatever you want to call it. I'd go on that. All wooden construction. Maybe it's a bloody antique. Now my adventure filming with this camera upside down is still working. Remember, it's got 360-degree DJI Action Pro, so if I turn it this way and start filming, everything's back right where it's supposed to be. Let's continue.
Ooh la la.
The adventurous Stephanie. Don't jump in, baby.
No, I would love to film that. The Scenic Bridge goes by the highway, and this is the Victoria Bridge.
Oh, Victoria Bridge. Okay, yeah, you're right. We're underneath it.
Yeah, sure. And wow, Queen's Park. Huge! Phenomenal, right? I always love to explore the city with you.
Well, this concludes our little walkabout in the Brisbane area. How do you rate it, baby, out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, having said that, whoops.
I love you.
Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista.